Ready to bring some eco-friendly charm into your home? Let's get started. Our carpentry business stands out for all the right reasons. First up, we use eco-plywood and wood from local suppliers only. That means your home gets a makeover that's kind to the planet. Whether it's a small carpentry job or a big renovation, we've got you covered. But it's not just about the materials. Our workmanship and joinery are second to none, ensuring every piece fits perfectly and lasts long. With over 20 years of experience, we bring unparalleled expertise to each project. And here's the best part. Singapore quality and warranty at direct factory price. Yes, you heard that right. High-quality, eco-friendly carpentry that doesn't break your wallet. So why settle for less? Choose our carpentry services and transform your home the eco-friendly quality way. Don't wait. Contact us today and let's make your home a masterpiece.